If you own a Samsung ventless all-in-one washer and dryer combo unit, I need you to stop what you are doing right now and watch this video. Lint clogs in your unit are killing your performance, and they are killing the compressor inside your system. If we don't stop these lint clogs, or you don't get that lint clog out, it's going to cause error code 3CA. It could cause your compressor to go bad. It could cause your control board to go bad, among many other things. I'm trying to preemptively help you, so make sure you're watching this video all the way through. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one. I bought this unit from Facebook Marketplace. They had it for almost 2 years and had absolutely no idea that they had probably the world's worst lint clog. They sold it with an error. It was error code 3CA. Long story short, it ended up being a fried control board. It makes me think that the compressor worked so hard, it fried the control board. So break, fix, repair. How do we fix this? What's causing this? These units are very sensitive to lint. When you're running a load of clothes with a lint filter that hasn't been thoroughly cleaned from the previous load, I ran a load of clothes intentionally with a lint filter completely clogged just to show you exactly what happens. I had this big clump of lint built up in the back of the system, and it actually pushed its way towards the rear of the unit. It's going to cause a clog. To help prevent this in the future, make sure you are cleaning out both sections of the lint filter thoroughly. And once a month, you are cleaning it with soap and water. Make sure you have one of these soft bristle brushes. I'll put a link down in the description below. It's the only brush I've found that actually gets into this corner pocket. That's where the lint initially builds up and then eventually breaks free and pushes towards the back of the unit and creates a clog. I'm going to put a link down in the description below for different style flexible head attachments for different style vacuums. Just pick the one that works for you. Pick your model. I'll put a link to a few different ones. It does work, but it doesn't work great. It is an additional way to help clean out your system. I was never able to get the flexible end to actually pick up any major amount of lint in the back, but the end is open. I tied a string to the end of it and a paper towel holder. Like, none of it actually worked. So I'm going to end up 3D printing something, and then once I get that working, I'll let you guys know. One thing to note here is that this lint buildup on the heat exchanger is not visible from the front. So it is very likely that you all have this buildup and you just don't even know it. To help alleviate some of these issues, I am working on 3D printing some parts that will basically block off these sections of the lint valley where this lint is accumulating. Now remember, any lint removed from the system manually is less lint that could get built up in the back of the system. Any lint that's in the back of the lint valley can be washed down into the tube that goes to the bottom of the drum. That's an issue because when that gets blocked, it throws error code 5C, and that's whenever you've got to lift up the unit and clean it out, and it's not fun. So make sure you're running the product care cycle on a monthly basis in order to help prevent these issues. Here I'm running the product care cycle with some bleach. Typically I say use a fresh, but let me just show you right here. This is what happens whenever you don't run the product care cycle on a consistent basis. Whenever you don't maintain your machine, this is what ends up happening. I am working on a new design for a lint filter along with a basically mock-up of what's currently out there. I know people can't get those lint filters, so I'm trying to figure out something. I'm hoping that a new design will alleviate some of these lint filter clogs that we're having over time. I haven't had a chance to test anything yet, but if you'd be interested in something like that, let me know down in the comment section below. That way I can get an idea for if it's even something that people want. I don't want to spend a lot of time and effort if people aren't going to be interested in it and it won't help anyone.